I just parked up in a good little spot in Watson's Bay and I thought, I'm hungry. Alright, pretty basic, pretty easy to make. Whip that bad boy up. I think that's not too bad. Avocado, tomatoes, Parmesan, bit of chili, chuck some Parmesan, or goat's cheese, whatever you want. It's a good little variation. I like it to use a nice little like penne di casa or sourdough, crunchy on the outside, soft. Tastes bloody good. Keep it simple. Olive oils, fats, it's all there. You're gonna love that. I'm gonna love it. Time to go eat it. See you later. Bye.